Hey, my friend James Jordan, Best Networker Live here, aka Professor Profit, just coming to you today with this quick video. I know it's been quite some time since I shot a video, but I wanted to come out and give you some value. It's the end of 2023. We are moving into 2024, and I just wanted to share something with you that I feel is very simple yet profound. And when you start to really use this and leverage this in your life, I'm telling you, it'll be easier to achieve love, good health, success, money, using can't fail processes in mind hacks that I would say to be able to create and manifest in your life a simpler, easier, happier, more prosperous and peaceful and joyful and abundant life, right? And it's this one thing: change your thoughts, right? You will change your life. Now, if you've ever watched any of my videos before, whether on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever, right? At some point in time, if you watch more than one video of mine, right, you know that I talk about mindset and I constantly harp on it, right? Whenever I'm going through ups and downs in my business and also in life, it's because I'm not doing the personal work on me. I'm not working on the inner game. So for yourself, if you're watching this somehow, some way, you have been you came across this because on some level of consciousness you needed to hear this message, or you wanted to hear it, right? Is that you are the sole reason why you're in the position that you are in now, right? So never come from a place of victimhood, never blame other people, never blame circumstances. Take full responsibility for where you're at, and more importantly where you're going, because I'm telling you, when you take full responsibility, that's when everything changes for you. The people, the circumstances, the situations that you want to show up and pop up in your life will start to show up and start to manifest because you have faith that they will happen, number one. Number two, and because you have that faith, you're going to start moving in that direction, and you're going to start taking the right and appropriate actions to create those things and take them from an idea to a dream to your physical reality. But it starts up here. So if there is a message that I wanted to come to you today with, is this, right? Wherever you're watching this, whether you're watching this at night, whether you're watching this in the morning, however you come across this, in your life, I just want you to know and understand the next season for you can absolutely create a plentiful harvest. But it starts with today. It starts with right now. It starts with you doing the inner work, working on your inner game, right? Getting around people that are in the position that you want to be in, finding mentors, investing in mentors, reading, listening to audiobooks, taking action. And this goes for any area of life. Of course, primarily on this channel, I primarily talk about mindset, entrepreneurial mindset, personal development, marketing, business, right? Things of that nature. But if you want to get healthy, if you want to lose weight, if you want to attract a great relationship or fix your current relationship, all of these things, right, you can do by working on your inner game. So let this message, I pray that you receive this message, and more importantly, that you apply this message moving forward. And if you've received any value, if something went off, if a light bulb went off in your head or in your heart, in your soul, in your spirit, as you're watching this, as you're listening to this, then please, my friend, like this video, leave a comment, share your thoughts, and feel free to share this message with someone that you know could benefit from what it is that I'm putting down, because I hope you're picking it up, right? Now, I'll be coming out with more videos. I know I say that every single time I do another YouTube video, but I am truly committed in 2024 to create more content and really give value. So a lot of my stuff is going to be primarily centered around mindset, personal development. Of course, I'm going to be throwing in some marketing, affiliate marketing tips, network marketing tips, sales psychology, prospecting tips, closing tips, conversion tips, copywriting tips. I'm going to be sharing all that stuff. So in 2024, moving forward, I'm going to be really diving back in and sharing with you guys what works for me behind the scenes versus just staying behind the scenes. You know, I'm a behind the scenes guy. I like to be relaxed and low key in the cut. But I also love going out and doing live streams and creating video content. And I've gotten away from that for quite some time because I've been doing a lot of the inner work on myself and spending a lot of time with my family. But I know that you guys deserve this stuff, right? Some people are only going to hear a message from me specifically, which is why I'm putting this out there. And I hope it resonates with you enough to where you can share it with other people, because this content, this message is for a person that's looking for a breakthrough. This content, this message is for a person that's looking to have a major transformation in their life, in their bank account, to have less stress, to rid themselves of all the negative negatrons in their life, and bring about an abundance of positive, like-minded, joyful, peaceful, hungry, committed, motivated go-getters who are all about achieving more in life and bettering themselves. And if that's you, right, deep down, that's why you're still watching this video, because I've been going on for 6 minutes. So I'm going to wrap this up now. But like I said, feel free to share this video or leave a comment. Reach out to me personally. Connect with me on one of my social media platforms across the World Wide Web, or just leave a comment here. And give me some feedback on what you received from this video, what your number one takeaway was, because that's what drives me, right? When I get that engagement of people letting me know that, hey, you know what, James, this really hit home. I appreciate it. Thank you, right? Because then obviously I'm gonna come out with more content just unconsciously, because I want to give. I'm a giver. I'm a giver. I'm a giver, right? So love you, appreciate you, God bless you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And like I said, if you have any questions on anything mindset related, entrepreneurial related, affiliate marketing, sales, prospecting, copywriting, all this stuff I've done, okay? So I can help you, right? And you can always go get access to my free while it's free. So you may be watching this a year from now and you go to the link or whatever and it's no longer free, but the affiliate starters kit, which is my 19-page free ebook, you can get instant access to that right now. I will include the link below. It's a quick read. It breaks down how I engineered my first 5-figure month online. What seems like many moons ago, back in 2015, right, which is coming up on almost a decade later, right? I break down how I did it, because those principles work today, right? So a lot of people will give you this fad stuff of stuff that works right now. What I love to teach people and train people on is mastering the principles, because the principles never change and they always work no matter the climate. So go get access to that right now. I'd love your feedback on it. Like I said, get access while you can, while it's free, right? Otherwise, you'll end up paying whatever I decide to charge for at a later point in time. But love you, appreciate you. Watch me like you watch Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and all that other stuff, right? And Max, because Max is out now, right? And watch your income grow massively. James Jordan, best networker alive, aka Professor Profit, coming to you today with this powerful message. And like I said, feel free to like, share, leave a comment. Let me know what your takeaways were from this video. And feel free, like I said, to share it with someone that you feel could benefit from the message that I delivered and share with you today. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.